Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to find live weather info. To check live weather info, take a look at the screen display and now enter MBApps. Scroll right and select weather. Here you can find live weather info for your location, different locations. You can check sunrise, sunset, wind direction, and more specifications. You can also add this weather forecast as favorite and check for 48 hours forecast and 10 hours forecast. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.